The extra-wide Equipmed Comfortline wheelchair offers the perfect combination of safety, durability and comfort. Crafted with a high-quality powder-coated steel frame, the wheelchair is sturdy and built to last, and provides you with the confidence to enjoy the outdoors. The footrests can be tailored to the perfect length, and they swing away for easy access. Gripped wheel rails allow for effortless self-propelling, and the tall backrest provides excellent support. The extra-wide seat offers comfort for users of all sizes. Large puncture-proof rear wheels roll smoothly over the bumps, and easy-to-activate park brakes ensure safety when stationary. The armrests are padded for maximum comfort and can be swung away to sit at tables. And the backrest pouch offers a convenient storage option. When you're done, the 2-second folding action makes it very easy to transport and store. The Equipmed Comfortline has everything you need, whether you require assistance or want independence. Experience the freedom you deserve with Equipmed.